You're about to book your dream trip, but here's the problem: most travel cameras overpromise and underdeliver blurry shots in low light. Heavy bodies that kill your backpack vibe. And battery life that dies before sunset. I tested over cameras from pocket vloggers to pro mirrorless monsters and only made the cut will shock you. Number 1 is not what YouTubers usually recommend. Stay till the end because I'm revealing the one camera that tourists, pros and even airlines don't want you to know about. Let's go. Starting at number 1. Fujifilm X100VI. You won't find a better small camera for vacation photos. The Fuji X100VI turns heads with its retro chic style and delivers the goods with a large APS-C image sensor and a 35mm f/2 prime lens. Additionally, it's easy to achieve good results thanks to Fuji's impressive set of film simulation color profiles. The camera also features dust and splash protection, complementing its sleek exterior, making it the perfect camera to take on your next trip abroad or night out on the town. Photo pros on vacation. Pro photographers deserve time off, but that doesn't mean that vacation snapshots are out of the question. The X100VI is an ideal choice for working photogs and shutterbugs to use during downtime, while still capturing images that'll please discerning eyes. Travel photographers. Photographers who go to exotic and esoteric locations to make images for travelogues or their own personal satisfaction will adore the X100VI. It is light enough to carry all day, weather sealed, and its picture quality is top-notch. Number 2. DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. Action cameras are a wise choice for travel because they are small, tough, waterproof, and well stabilized for handheld recording. The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is a winner on all fronts. It records clear footage at up to 4K 120 quality with 10-bit color, includes a flat profile for expert editors, and features dual front and rear touch screens, as well as external mic support to enhance the production quality of your vlogs and home movies. We also appreciate the battery life. The Osmo runs for hours on a single charge, and a charging case with room for 3 spare batteries is available as an accessory, allowing you to record all day if needed. Beachgoers. The Osmo is fully waterproof, so you can use it comfortably at the beach, on a snorkeling trip, or poolside. If your travel plans include the water, the Action 5 Pro is your best bet for video. Adventurers. If your travel plans include a hike through the woods to find an epic waterfall, kayaking, surfing, free climbing, or any other activity you want to capture for posterity, the Osmo Action 5 Pro is what you want to document it. It's easily mountable and supports voice commands, allowing you to use it hands-free as well. Number 3. DJI Osmo Pocket 3. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 has taken the YouTube world by storm. It seems as if every travel vlogger uses one, and that's not by accident. The Pocket 3 features a gimbal-stabilized camera with a Type 1 sensor, allowing for video recording that surpasses what smartphones can offer. Additionally, it boasts powered pan and tilt movements, enhancing the professional look of your footage beyond what a handheld phone or camera alone can achieve. We also like its accessory library, which includes an extended life battery grip and wireless microphone kit. It's a small, versatile video camera. Travel vloggers. The Osmo Pocket 3 is among the most popular cameras for YouTube, and is especially useful for travel channels. It's small enough to take anywhere, and an integrated gimbal adds serious production value, while leaving you the flexibility to record handheld and move around. Number 4. Nikon Z50II. The Nikon Z50II is our editor's choice among mid-entry-level mirrorless cameras due to its balanced all-around performance. It's an especially good option for travelers who don't want to forego the creative freedom afforded by an interchangeable lens camera. The Z52 is small and lightweight, featuring smart autofocus with subject detection for people and animals, as well as a swing-out LCD, making it ideal for capturing vacation selfies. It sets itself apart from other entry models by including some dust and splash protection. The camera isn't as thoroughly sealed as pro Nikons, but it is better for outdoor use versus other affordable ILCs. Family vacationers. If you want to capture memorable photos of your kid's first trip to Disney or take stunning photos of landscapes and wildlife at a national park, you'll want a mirrorless camera, and the Z52 is the best entry-level model available. Travel photographers, if photography is the reason for your trip, the Z50II is a good pick among mirrorless options. It works with a full set of Z-series lenses, includes weather sealing, and its autofocus is quite good, too. Number 5. Panasonic Lumix ZS99. The Lumix ZS99 is as good a pocket zoom camera as I've ever used. Its 30x lens covers everything from wide vistas to wildlife, and it's small enough to slide into your pocket. Upper-end smartphones offer plenty of zoom these days, but the ZS99 is there for photographers who prefer to use a dedicated camera. Family vacationers, if you want to get pictures on your next family vacation while also enforcing a no-phones rule for the kids, give the ZS99 a look. Its 30x lens covers all kinds of scenes, and there are plenty of built-in filters to explore. National park visitors, if you want to get photos of some cool animals and landscapes in a national park or on a western road, the ZS99 fits the bill. Its lens has more optical zoom power than smartphones, while still fitting into your pocket. And there you have it, the 5 best travel cameras you can buy right now in 2025. But here's the truth, the right camera depends on your trip. Hiking? City nights? Beach vlogs? I linked the perfect match for each style, all in the description. Which one surprised you the most? Comment if you'd take the Budget King for the Pro Beast. Also, all products and current deals are in the description below. Like this video if you found a winner, share it with that friend who always ruins group photos, and subscribe because next week we're exposing travel gadgets that are total scams. I see you in the next one.